Okay, you guys, you see all the colors I got. I have no idea what color I'm going to make it, so I'm just going to mix some colors together and see what I come up with. Watch me work. So I went ahead and parted the wig like I normally would wear it. Part down the middle, down on each side, and down in the back. As you can see, I'm pointing out the scalp portions. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and darken up these roots because, baby, look, I put this wig on and was looking crazy. And you're going to do this just like if you was trying to perm your hair. Part, apply, part, apply. Making sure to get your dye on both sides of your hair and comb through. Oh, you guys, this came out so good. Look at it. All the roots are done. Only the roots. The rest is left. I'm going to put the other colors on the rest of the hair. Now, since all of my roots that I want dyed are dyed, I went in, I redid the ponytail, and I left this much out in the back. Now I'm about to start putting the other color on it, and I'm not going to dye this whole entire thing. I'm actually going to take about 2 tracks and just dye the top 2 and leave the bottom portion all white because I do want to have some white streaks or some white patches. And then once I do that, I'm going to come around to the front and the sides and start coloring this part first. And now I waited about 20 minutes before I start putting the actual color on this part because if you allow this to dry, when you get ready to go back in and put your dye on the other parts, it's so easy because the hair is now dry. So I can just go in and take the same exact part that's already dry, add color. Then I can just go like this, take the next part that's already dry, add color. Then I can take the next part that's already dry. See, it's already parted, so you know exactly where you're going. There's no confusion. There's no parts getting messed up. So now I'm about to mix some colors up. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do, but you guys are going to watch me work. So now that these colors are mixed, I'm going to start adding these colors. Now keeping in mind that the wig is assorted colors, so I'm not doing this in no particular order, no particular fashion. And as you can see, I only dyed the roots for on the portions of the wig that really shows. If it didn't really show in the back, I didn't dye the roots. Again, since the roots are already dry, it is so easy to part. All I'm doing is just separating the parts that's already hard and crunchy and then adding some more dye. So now this is how I look once I've added those pretty bright colors on top of the dark. So now that that color is on, I went ahead and I took another row of hair out all the way around. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take like the very top part and I'm going to leave some nice big chunks of white in it. So I'm just going to put like some color on a little bit of the hair, and I'm going to leave some of the hair white, some of the hair color on this row.
I just can't let this go. Every last chance I had is gone, but I just can't let you know. I just can't let you know. But I just can't let you know.
And yes, I'm still putting the dye on in random spots because you want it to be all different colors in different places.
can't let you know.
I love this color, y'all. Now I'm gonna go in with this vivid violet purple. Just making sure to get it on both sides, putting all dye all the way down to the end.
I just can't let you know.
Yeah, so I'm cleaning it up with the darkest brown again, the same one that I used for my roots. This is how it looks after I've washed it. It's wet, then I blow dried it. Okay, it's coming again. Oh, now this is how it look on me, y'all. What y'all think? Let me know. Holla.